So we're going to start on the circle side. You're going to start by drawing a point randomly in kind of the middle of your paper. Okay? Then you're going to take your compass and you're going to find the metal hole. The metal hole should have a hole. And inside that metal hole should show your point. Okay? If you're right-handed, you're going to take your left pointer finger and press down. Then you're going to take your pencil tip and stick it in 50. So they go 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 across the top. We're going to put our pencil in 50, and you're going to turn your circle so that it comes out nicely. Okay? If you need to turn your paper because you get stuck under your arm weird, then turn your paper. Or just move your hand from here to over here and readjust it. Okay?
What's right with that thing?
I put mine in 50.
Why does it spin?
So we'll try it again in just a second. I'll do another one. Okay? Then you're going to take the flat side of your safety base compass and you're going to connect that center to any point on your circle. What is that segment called? The radius, right? And we're going to label it 50 millimeters. Okay? So you're going to do 25 circles of all different radii. They're going to overlap at some point. They might go off your paper at some point if they're huge, okay? But you're going to try all different sizes, 25 different sizes. So finish up the circle you're on, and then we'll come back to this after we've done the opposite side. Okay? So flip your yellow paper over to the back, and on the back, you're going to write your name between 5 and 7 letters long. Okay? So if I was going to do my last name, Hoban, it starts with an H, okay, which I need as straight a lines as possible, right? So what kind of circle is going to get me closer to straighter lines? The small circles or the larger circles?
Small circle.
The larger circles are closer to straighter lines. So if I set my metal hole way across the paper, because I want my H over to the left, and use a really large number like 120, that's going to get me a fairly straight line. Okay, that's the left side of my capital H, right? And then I'm going to have to take mine off my paper to do the other side of my H. I'm going to use 120 again, and that gets me the other side of my H. Now to connect them, I go down and go across. Okay? Now the next letter is O, right? So I should use a small circle because I just want a circle. Because the O is a circle. So I'm just going to use 15. So I'm going to hold the flat side of my safety base compass, spin that 15 around in there, and that gets me my O. All right? So go ahead and start working on either your first or your last name.